my hand right here, I have a Nadine Marabi design, which will be the outfit that I will wear for the couple shower that my friends are throwing for my fiance and me next week. So let's unbox her. I saw one of my favorite influencers and models, Ken's Loren, wearing this jumpsuit to an event, and I thought, I must have it. For context, our couple shower theme is an all-white winter wonderland, but my fiance and me will be wearing all black. Here we go. Oh, I had to point out this quote. It says, "You deserve every beautiful thing this life has to offer." Okay, this belt is gonna go around the jumpsuit and tie. So cute. And this is the jumpsuit. I'm obsessed, y'all. I'm literally obsessed. Let's try her on. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the belt will go here. Okay, I just spent like 10 minutes messing with this belt, so I'm gonna figure it out later. But it'll go something like this. Let me shoot. Can you even believe this outfit? It is so cute. Oh my god. Like the power shoulders. Slay. Praise the Lord for my tallness because I don't need to get it hemmed. I also put the ties in the back. I don't know how I'm gonna end up wearing it, but we'll see. I'm definitely thinking like something sleek for the hair. But oh my gosh, I'm literally over the moon with this choice. I'll definitely try to do a get ready with me that day, but y'all know my chaotic time management. So if I don't end up doing a get ready with me, I'll definitely do like a final look so you guys can see it. Yeah, I'm so